This 2025 Keystone Bullet 2290BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 26 feet 10 inches in length and features a Tranquil Timber interior, sleeps 8, air conditioning, external shower, oven, TV antenna, LP detector, self-contained, Skylight, spare tire kit, Slideout, smoke detector, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Keystone Bullet 2290BH is 5,580 pounds. This 2025 Keystone Bullet 2290BH. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.